First section, word and structure knowledge. Questions 1 to 7. Choose the correct option to fill in the blank. First question answer is option C. Second question answer is option D. Third question answer is option A. Fourth question answer is option D. Fifth question answer is option B. Sixth question answer is D. Seventh question answer is option C. Eighth question answer is option C. Ninth question answer is option B. 10th question answer is option C. 11th question answer is option A. 12th question answer is option C. 15th, 13th question answer is option B. 14th question answer is option A. 15th question answer is option D. Reading. 16th question answer is option C. 17th question answer is option A. 18th question answer is option A. 19th question answer is option B. 20th question answer is option D. 21st question answer is option C. 22nd question answer is option A. 23rd question answer is option B. 24th question answer is option A. 25th question answer is option C. Spoken and written expression. 26th question answer is option C. 27th question answer is option D. 28th question answer is option C. 29th question answer is option B. 30th question answer is option A. Achievers section. 31st question answer is option C. 32nd question answer is option B. 33rd question answer is option A. 34th question answer is option A. 35th question answer is option B.